Okay, that's the thumbnail. So basically, if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at worldly41.gumroad.com. Link will be in the description below or in my YouTube bio. Pretty much. So overall, looking at our DogeCoin position, just to start off from yesterday. So yesterday, our DogeCoin position was down $3,436 with 43 cents. So that's how much our DogeCoin position was down by yesterday. Today, our DogeCoin position is now down $2,578 with 76 cents. And did I buy more DogeCoin? 36,586. Yeah, so I did buy more DogeCoin. So yesterday I owned 36,586 in DogeCoin, and then today I own 36,827 of DogeCoin. So pretty much what happened today was that the crypto market had a huge, huge like bull run today, and that was due to the fact of Cheeto Man announcing a strategic. I don't even know what I'm saying. Trump announces strategic. Wait, cut that out. Trump announces strategic crypto reserve, including Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, and more. Basically, Donald Trump announced that he will be creating a crypto reserve, with these cryptocurrencies. And so basically that is what happened today. It basically boosted most of these cryptocurrencies. And basically, if you look at coinmarketcap.com, right, the biggest gainer would be XRP, Cardano. Yeah, I would say Cardano was the one that benefited most from this announcement. And so it's just kind of crazy that, in a day, just like, overall Doge, well, pretty much the crypto market had like a huge run towards the upside. So I wonder what will happen when, what's his name? Elon, says something about related to Doge, even though he does run that. Well, supposedly he runs that Doge department thing, whatever he's running. But I'm not sure with that. But basically, it's just kind of crazy that, with that little single announcement that just made the whole crypto market run up fast. So it is pretty surprising. So looking at Doge on the daily chart, so it looks like it tried breaking that 20-day moving average, but it got rejected by it. So once we see that Doge is able to break that 20-day moving average, then we could see more possible uptrend from Doge. But for now, it's just kind of struggling breaking that 20-day moving average. I would say ever since February 14th, it's just been having trouble breaking that 20-day moving average. I had trouble here, and then today. So we'll see what happens. So once we see that breakthrough above the 20-day moving average, then we can see Doge run up soon. So on the weekly chart, though, like I said yesterday, it looks like on the weekly chart, Doge is trying its best to maintain itself on that 50-day moving average. So it's trying to use that 50-day moving average as support. So if Doge can maintain itself using that 50-day moving average as support, then we can see more uptrend from Doge, and maybe we can see more maybe we could start seeing that 9-day moving average curl back up above the 20-day moving average, because by the looks of it, seeing that the 9-day moving average has crossed below the 20-day moving average, to me that kind of indicates that that's a bearish trend for Doge. But if Doge can bounce off that 50-day moving average on the weekly chart and break that 9-day moving average, then we can see Doge go up further. But for now, to me, this kind of indicates that on the weekly chart that Doge is in a bearish trend. And basically on the daily chart, it's in a bearish trend as well. Though on the monthly chart, it does look like it's trying to regain that 9-day moving average. Yesterday, it was below it on the monthly chart, but today it is above it. So maybe we could see, Bitcoin, we could see Doge go up soon, and possibly it could use that 9-day moving average as support and bounce off of it, and we could see maybe, I don't know, maybe we could see Doge approach that high of 0.32. So we'll see what happens. Looking at Bitcoin, let's see, Bitcoin. Same with Bitcoin. Honestly, it's been having trouble breaking that 9-day moving average. I mean, not the 9, but the 20-day moving average. If tomorrow, if the overall stock market, reacts to the news of, Trump, him wanting to do that crypto reserve thing, right? If the stock market reacts nicely to it, then we could see, Bitcoin possibly, and along with DogeCoin, break above that 20-day moving average, and we could see a rally further from the overall crypto market. But honestly, we'll have to see how the market reacts to that news that was announced today by Trump. So basically, Bitcoin is having trouble breaking that 20-day moving average. It got rejected by it today on the weekly chart. It looks like on the weekly chart, it tried going above the 20-day moving average. It got rejected by it. The monthly chart, it hasn't even landed on the 9-day moving average. So if Bitcoin decides to fall, later on, maybe it could use that 9-day moving average on the monthly chart and use it as support. Right now on the monthly chart, the 9-day moving average reads 80,000. So if Bitcoin reaches that level of 80,000, then that's a perfect entry point to get into Bitcoin for the long term. So we'll see what happens. Basically, let's see how the SPY is doing. Actually, has it moved at all? No, but I guess you could say pretty much everything else has moved, but we'll see what happens, honestly. So pretty much my thoughts for going in tomorrow, basically the 9-day moving average has crossed below the 20-day moving average. To me, this still indicates that SPY is in a bearish trend, but once my SPY position is up either 5 or 10%, that's when I'll exit out my position. Basically, the step is, the strategy is kind of basically you're trying to rinse and repeat the cycle of buying SPY when it's oversold and sell out the position for a 5 or 10% gain, and then just rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again. I've done this, I've actually done this maybe like 3 times already or 4 times already. I want to say I've done it more than 5 times already, to be honest with you, but I'll keep you guys updated. This is like a study case of what I'm doing with you guys, sharing the trade that's going on with SPY. So I'll keep you guys updated. So basically, the DogeCoin position is down $2,578 with 76 cents currently. So if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at wordly41.gumroad.com. Link will be in the description below, or in my YouTube bio, or in my bio. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. And as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.